Yo guys, so today I'm gonna tell you that why you shouldn't update to iOS 14 and watch this video before updating iOS 14. So let's go into the video, guys. So guys, now to the bug number one. The number one bug is gonna be the storage, guys. I'm gonna show you why. Now let me go into the settings and general and about. I've updated to iOS 14. Obviously, I've updated to it. And now let me just go down. The storage is 8 GB. After seeing this, I was just shocked. Before updating, I had around like 23 GB. So I decided, why not I plug it to the computer and see what's wrong. And I plugged into the computer, guys. And here's the result.
A few moments later.
I was literally sad, guys. So now I thought, why not go into the iPhone storage and see where's all my data gone. So I went into the iPhone storage, guys, and here I saw the other data. It was taking huge amount of space, guys. Really huge amount of space. When I went down and saw, the other took around 13.57 GB and the system got like 13.05 GB, and I was like shock, man, shock. And literally my reactions after this were this.
Later.
So guys, if you're planning to update iOS 14, be ready to lose around 16 GB of data, guys. Now let's go into the second bug. The second bug is in the call app, guys. Let me go into the call app. You will be say everything is fine, man. Everything is fine. Everything is awesome. Everything is fine. Everything is fine. The call is going. Everything is fine. You guys will say like that, but no, there's a bug. Yeah, man. I'm not kidding. The 3D touch is awesome. I will show you again. The 3D touch on the call app is literally awesome, and there have been blocks there. The block kind of structure, it's awesome. But just sure, I've got my number. Now let me just go into the recents app, guys. Last use, it's showing my business number. The people who have 12 sim iPhone will know. And when I go, it just shows me like these two, guys. I don't know which is my primary sim, which is my business sim. Apple, what the hell are you doing, man? It's not a beta software, it's an alpha software, alpha stage, man. No one can use it, man. For a normal call, a phone can't do it. I can't see which is primary or the business. I think you need to have some brain as a developer to decode which is business, which is primary, guys. So I would just wanna say, Apple, please fix this up, or else I'm gonna bash you. Now coming to number 3, I'm gonna cover all bugs, all the other bugs into this. You guys will be asking, is there any bug with the UI? Yeah, the UI shows slight, small bugs. It's not like a large, humongous bugs here. It's just small bugs. Here you can see it is not quite faster as it would be in stable release, as it's a beta release, guys. And one thing I missed was, even though it shows like folder, actually the apps has to be in the folder to be open a folder, yeah. And even the app launch times are quite faster. Sorry for the quality, guys. I'm using iPhone 6 for recording this video, so the quality may differ a bit. Okay, please excuse me if the quality is not good. Okay, now coming to the next thing, guys. In the messages too, I can see that when I pin the message, there is some kind of a problem, like it shows the message, and even the emojis in here take quite a time to load up here.
I wanna see you guys like you literally can see that how much time it takes for the emojis and emojis to load. Actually, this was not the case before in the iOS 13.
Yeah, I became the memoji, guys, when recording for the Animoji, so sorry for the voice if it caused any disturbances. Now let's go into the bug number 4. It's a bug and it's a feature too, which Apple says. When you go into the back tap, it will ask you double tap, triple tap. Thank God they were not a single tap. Okay, now if I go into double tap, it shows me screenshot. So what is that? If I double tap back on the phone, it will take a screenshot. It gives a 2 to 3 seconds delay, guys. I will just show you again. 1 2 2 seconds delay. A millisecond delay, you're not going to do anything by taking the screenshot. In a millisecond, you're not going to lose your job. So please be rest assured. And now coming into the other bugs, guys, in camera, if you can see when I open it just zoomed. Oh, what just happened? Let me just try it again. Let me just close this app and open it again. Okay, so now it's okay. You just saw the bug in front of your eyes, guys. That's how this bug was there. So I think that's it for the video, guys. No, that's not it for the video. The widgets take some time to load. You can see the bug is, it's quite laggy there. The UI is quite laggy. It's not faster. Actually my 6s was faster than this. And here you can see the setting app shows 1, but I don't know what's the one thing in there. When I go and click in there, nothing is shown. So this is also a bug. Please Apple fix it in the next beta. So that's it for the video, guys. Like this video, please like, comment, share and subscribe to the channel, guys. And if I missed any bugs, please comment down below. I will cover it in next video. It's mine, Anitsky signing off. And if you like my Animoji video, Animoji voice, please comment down below. Come on, do it fast.